Hi everybody, beautiful summer's day. I've just got back from work and this was waiting for me from the postman, and it's obviously it's a rolling road. Now I've wanted one of these. The only thing that I can't seem to get much information on is it says here that it's 12 volt DC electric plus Hornby live steam, but it doesn't mention DCC. So I'm going to wire it up with an old Hornby transformer and find a loco that hasn't been chipped yet and see how it goes. Now it should come with an extra set of rollers, but it is second hand. Yeah, there is 4 sets of rollers in here. So that's it. So I think it's pretty straightforward. Obviously the tender sits on here, or the back bogus of a diesel, and you just move these to wherever your wheels are. That's obviously your wire connections. So what I'll do is I'll set it all up for just DC, see how we go, and if that works I'll try it on DCC and see if I burn the chip out or whether that works. Right, this is a Bachmann A2. It's DCC ready, but it hasn't got a chip yet, so I thought it's an ideal time to try it out. Obviously I've got to get it on and line the rollers up, which is easier said than done. That one looks a bit out there. Seems to have a bit of a lean on. Well, it's harder to get on these rollers than you think. Right. I think the front brake is supported. Right, get the tender on. Sorry about that, messing about a bit, but here we go. Just hope she works. Well, wheels are turning. That's just using the try and reverse. I think she's got a bit of a wobble. I think that's more lining up with the wheels than. I just thought it'd be easier than using a test track. Obviously you can clean the wheels by using a cotton bud through the So she'll be able to get them all round. Just see what sort of control I've got. Well, that's working great with DC. Now I'm going to have to get my DCC controller and wire that up. I've put an old loco with it that I've added a chip to, just in case anything goes wrong. See you in a minute. Right, make sure that's off. That is off. So now it's a matter of setting the loco up. Right, I've connected the DCC up. This is an old Airfix, actually it's 39 years old. I had it, one of the first models I had actually DCC. It's a bit noisy, but she runs. Right, select loco. Two. Enter. No. Nothing. No, that's not good. Looking good. I just have a fiddle with the wiring. Right, well I found one fault. This is my quick getting excited wiring. Go to. Right, direction forward. Oh. Oh, so she's working on DCC. As you can tell, it's a very old engine, but bit of a waddle on, but I think again that's the wheels. So it definitely works on DCC, which is excellent. I've searched YouTube, I just can't seem to find anybody using DCC. Right, we'll try something a bit flashier. Right, this is my P2. So we'll see if everything works on this. I can't see a problem if the other one worked. Enter. Oh gosh. Oh no, she's moving. I can't get sound to work there. I've got the horn, that's... Right, she's going down to nothing. Nothing. No, here's, and now she's started. Oh. That was a bit manic. Change direction. That is flat out there, if you can hear me. Slower down. Anyway, so there you go. I just thought I'd show you that. My new toy. So, yes, you can use a Hornby rolling road with DCC and sound. So that's it. Just a quick one. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.